We've spent sleepless nights preparing this, and we can't wait to blow your socks off.
I refer any upcoming property developer and established property developers with TOUGH, because TOUGH is more than just a bank. They understand property.
This is how it applies. 10 million Rand times 5% gives us 500,000 Rand that Company A is able to use to deduct off of their tax liability for the next 20 years.
That's when you as a property investor are going to ask, am I playing that game in terms of holding property, hoping that it will increase, and if it does increase then I'm selling, or am I really focusing on cash flow?
As a full-time property investor, I know that if I don't purchase any property, basically means that I'm not going to be eating anything.